Hey sis, I see you. I know you're struggling. Right now, you're telling yourself that you have to push through and that if you don't put your head down and keep moving, keep doing what you're doing to stay afloat, that everything will fall apart. You feel like you can't afford to be still. But the truth is, empty cups don't pour, and you need to give from the overflow. Sometimes even just the saucer alone. So here's what I really want you to know. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to set boundaries. You're not the one that has to figure out everything out for everyone else. You just have to figure it out for you right here, right now. So here's what I want you to do. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and repeat these words. Joy is my natural state of being. I allow it to permeate every aspect of my life. I surround myself with people who uplift and inspire me. I courageously release all that no longer serves me. I make space for joy to flow effortlessly. I am love. I am loved. I am whole.